So what if I want to change my background right now and be at the beach? Or what if I want to be in a nice office, more elegant, more professional? So right now my background is in my room, right? That's not very professional. So let's switch that a little bit. So let's go to Microsoft Teams, right? That's the main purpose of this video. So let's go to my screen and let's say that we're in a team right now. So for example, I'm the software engineer teams, and I'm going to go to this channel. We already covered how to create all these in my previous videos. If you're interested in this kind of content, subscribe to the channel so you can learn a little more. All right, so what we're going to be doing now is go to a meeting, a random meeting, and of course you can set up this background before or after you initiate that meeting. Right now I'm going to do it before because that's how you do it, right? You want to get things straight from the beginning. So I'm going to turn on my camera here and look at that. I'm in a nice background now. Let me see. What my shirt is kind of all right, this one. Anyway, so the way you can do this is by clicking here in background filter, and then it's going to populate a couple of backgrounds. So let's say I want to be in my office, right? Or I want to be in a more elegant kind of scenario in another room. Let's take a look at this one. Oh, look at that. It's pretty cool. Just make sure, guys, that you have a good lighting setup for this. My lighting right now sucks, and of course this chair is not helping at all. So you want to make sure that you have a proper environment set up for that. Look at this. I like this one. Reminds me to a movie that I watched. Alright, so this kind of for kids. Let's say this one. I like it. I like it. What about this one? I like this one as well. So let me know, guys, in the comment which background should I have from my channel, if you like me to have any background at all, or just you're comfortable with me with my room here. What about this one? I really like this one. It's like an outer space kind of. Oh, look at this one. Nice. What about nice? Very, very good. So we're gonna be joining with one, for example. Let's do this one. It's kind of futuristic. Well, not that one. This one. And then what you want to do is just remove this background here, and then you're gonna click on join now, and let's see what happens. Okay, come on. All right, so there you go. You have the link now to join, and as you can see, this is removing the background absolutely for free and automatically for me. Now you may be wondering, how is this possible? Well, Microsoft is currently implementing an AI algorithm that is running all this background processing for you. So you don't have to worry about anything. The only thing that you have to worry is about a good lighting and not having a background really close to you like I have here. So for example, if I get a little close to the camera and not, okay, there you go. So you see, you can have something like this, or you can just stand up a little bit and you can work it out. But the main thing is to have a good lighting so the AI can reflect those shadows and can do the proper background removal for you. That's it, guys. So that's how you remove the background. Let me close this. That's how you remove the background. If you're interested in more content like this, subscribe to the channel. I'm making videos every single day, and I'd like to have you on the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.